Can I use a cell phone on a cruise ship? Yes, you can use your cell phone while on a cruise ship, but be aware of your service provider's roaming rates. Cell phones are ubiquitous in today's society, so it's no surprise that cruise lines are accommodating guests who want to stay connected while at sea. In fact, you can use your cell phone on a cruise ship in a number of ways. Perhaps the most obvious way to use your phone on a cruise is to make calls. Virtually all cruise ships have cell phone service, and many even have Wi-Fi. So, whether you're looking to stay in touch with loved ones back home or just want to post a few pics of your amazing vacation, you can easily do so from your phone. Also, you can also use your phone to book excursions, make dinner reservations, or purchase souvenirs. Most cruise lines have apps that allow you to do all of this and more, so there's no need to worry about being out of touch while on your vacation. That said, there are a few things to keep in mind when using your cell phone on a cruise. First, make sure you have an international plan that will work while you're away, or else you may end up racking up some hefty roaming charges. Additionally, note that not all cruise ships have cell phone service in every area of the ship, so you may have to go to a specific spot in order to make a call. And finally, keep in mind that using your phone on a cruise can be expensive, so it's best to stick to essential calls and emergencies. Check with your phone provider for more info before cruising.